Hey you guys, I'm doing a quick eyeshadow tutorial. I'm just breezing through my foundation routine because I literally do the same thing. I did the same thing in my last video. So, don't mind me just rambling on the phone with my best friend talking about Lord knows what. But so yeah, doing my normal foundation and concealer. Making sure everything is blended out. So I just, decided to record this look because I'm going to try something different by going without eyeliner, and I'm going to try a different lipstick today. So stay tuned to check out how it turns out. This is where the fun begins. I'm taking just like a peach looking color and on my lids, and then I'm taking just a brown color on the outer corner. I'm just packing the peach color on my lid because I'm gonna use like a loose pigment by NYX and just pack it on. For whatever reason, my camera is kind of washing out the color. It's kind of like a very like bright shimmery color. Not really sure why my camera is not picking it up, but you could somewhat see, like how the color payoff is. So yeah, I'm just going back in with the brown, and then I just added some lashes from Amazon. I didn't do eyeliner today, so I'm just looking at it like, oh my god, it just looks, I don't know. I look naked for whatever reason. Now I'm just contouring my cheeks, and I'm gonna finish up everything. I added some blush. After the setting spray, we're gonna add some highlights. Highlight that forehead. And then I'm just lining my lips before I use a Tarte's liquid lipstick in the color Wannabe. Now normally I probably only wore this color by itself like once, and I've had it for months because I'm so used to a nude lip. Like, I don't care if it's summer, spring, fall, whatever, I always rock a nude lip. So now I'm just pairing it with Too Faced Melted matte lipstick in the color Chihuahua, because the brown, like, I don't know, like I needed some pizzazz to it, so just spreading that around, giving it some flavor, if you will. So now I'm just looking, because I don't normally go without eyeliner. I like it. The lips are cool too. But it's like I look naked for whatever reason, like something is missing. I would definitely rock this look in the daytime, but towards the end of the video I do kind of change it up. I would love to know if you guys think, this look will be good without liner or with liner, because literally towards the end of the video I literally took this lipstick off and paired it with my normal nude lipstick, and I also added some eyeliner picks on the end. Let me know what you think, if you like it this way or this way. Comments below. Thanks for watching, y'all. I love y'all.